Okay, we're in step 1 and we're doing business tasks. Remember, every step has business tasks, the essentials, marketing, questions and answers, and homework. So let's complete the following checklist of tasks that are related to the business aspects of your company. Now, if you have a notebook with a pen, I think that's handy for me. And what's also handy is pausing the video and writing down your thoughts and making sure that they're done. Some of these tasks, you can just pause the video and just go and do it and then come right back to the course. Some you have to leave your computer and go do them. Okay, so grossing $1,000 a day. Well, I like that idea. I teach and coach inspectors who do make $1,000 a day gross. And I want to share those coaching tips with you. And it starts with managing your time. Your most valuable, precious asset is your time. And if you're wasting your time, you're literally wasting your time. You'll never be successful. And one way to figure out if you're managing your time well, the key to a successful home inspection and a home inspection business is to look at what you do during the day. When does your day start? When's it end? And what do you do in between? Here's a schedule of an actual $1,000 day of a certified home inspector, broken down into minutes. From leaving the home, performing inspections, and coming back to the office or the home. Why do you want to look at this? Well, you want to compare this schedule, this very successful schedule, with your daily schedule.